Since COVID, there's been a real push for increased automation throughout dealers' sales processes. This has led to some concern amongst sales managers that this increased automation could lead to issues with disengagement and decreased human touch from their sales teams. Tim, how do you respond to these concerns?
Listen, I don't think that automation by itself is causing a disengagement. I think that what automation does, if it's done properly, it allows the human action to be more effective. And because if automation gives the person more time to focus on the customer and the communication with customers, that's good for the dealer. If the information that's provided to the salesperson through automation and efficiency is better data, is cleaner data, is more complete data, that communication with the customer is going to be that much more effective. So I think about it in the exact opposite way. When done well and right, the information from automation drives more effective human interaction.
Looking ahead, how do you envision SalesChain continuing to uphold that balance of automation and personal touch in an ever-evolving office technology industry?
SalesChain is going to continue to do what we do well, and that's listen. I think that we're not sitting back, resting on our laurels on the things that we've built. We're constantly engaging with our customers and our vendor partners to understand how we can do things better, what's important to them, and what priorities should we be following to make sure that we continue to build software, to build process, to communicate that process to our customer base. And so I'm very excited about what's coming in the future. I don't know what's coming. I know that we're going to be there, okay, to be a leader in whatever's coming. As I say to my customers all the time, 6 months from now, you really don't know what you're going to need. You can guess and think and prepare, but 6 months from now, a new competitor could be in the marketplace, a new product could be in the marketplace, a technological invention could eliminate the need for the products and services that we sell. Innovation is never going to end. And so our focus is to drive innovation, to understand innovation, and imagine the possibility of what's yet to come.